Welcome. Let's do some non-verbal reasoning questions that are series-based questions. Series-based questions. In these figures, in the problem figures, we need to track the movement of different elements, how the elements are moving from A to B and C to D. Similarly, our answer choice will move in the same series from E to our answer choice. So let's track the movement from A to B. In figure A to B, the element at upper right corner gets enlarged and comes in the left bottom left corner and is flipped vertically. Okay, and the existing element at the lower left position is lost in this figure. So this element is lost and this S comes down to the bottom left and is flipped vertically. Similarly, if you see this L, this is flipped vertically and it has come down to the bottom left corner. In the similar fashion, this Z in our answer choice should come down to the bottom and should be flipped vertically. So this Z this Z should take a shape something like this, or no, this is not the vertically flipped position. This is the correct position and this is also correct position. So out of these two choices we have to select one. Now the second condition was that these elements are replaced by new element, completely new element. But out of these two figures, this element is an old element which appeared earlier also. So this is completely new element C. So this is the required answer. So answer choice C would be the correct choice. So the series which was there in this question was that this element, the top right element comes to the bottom left and is flipped vertically and is enlarged, and the other element is lost in the next figure. So based on this we can answer that the correct answer choice is answer choice C. Okay, so let's move to another question. Okay, in this figure, in the problem figure, if you see this kite shaped position, this kite shaped figure, and there is another kite shaped figure in figure D. So what is happening in this question is, in every third step the figure reappears, but it is upside down this time. Notice these two figures, 1, 2 and third. In third step we are getting the same figure, but it is inverted vertically. Similarly, if you see figure B, after third step, 1, 2, third step, we get a same triangle but inverted position with a circle inside it. So this is a pattern which is being followed in this question. So our answer choice will naturally be the inverted position of figure C. So it should be a pentagon in inverted position. There are two pentagons. Now let us see what is inside this pentagon. There is this oval shape, this elliptical shape. So this choice is clearly eliminated, and this has to be the correct choice. So again, option C has to be the correct option. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.